Surprise.
Oh, wow. Look at this.
Ya sabe, ya sabe. Yeah. I know him pretty well.
It's builder time.
I
guess so, yeah.
I know him very well, so.
Gracias.
Aquí voy a estar adentro, eh?
Órale.
Ajá, okay.
No.
Do I know my people or do I know my people? I'm telling you, take care of your people and they'll take care of you. Hey guys, it's Carlos Reyes. We're back here at the 33rd Lane condo where we're gonna make over $70,000. I will say this, we went about $4,000 over our rehab budget. Why? Because we wanted to make sure that this thing absolutely sells. We wanted to make it as appealing as possible. Let me just walk you through it. I think you'll be surprised. All right, so do you guys remember the kitchen area? Actually, do you remember this whole entire condo? I mean, it was a mess. I don't know if you remember, I even broke a mirror. I'll do that. Oh my God, okay, holy shit, they're gonna hate me. I mean, it was pretty much a dump, but you know what? I love dumps. This is the part of real estate that people don't see, like the bad, the ugly. Like I'm literally in a, kind of low end neighborhood, right? I'm here, my guys are here. You can see the work trucks here. They're going to work. This is the part that people don't see. This isn't the sexy part about real estate. A lot of people are under the misconception of like, oh man, you buy a house, you sell a house and you make all kinds of money. You become a millionaire overnight. That is not the fact. You actually got to get in here, you got to grind it out, you got to be in the trenches. Now, I'm not saying that my business isn't automated. I thank God that I have a lot of leaders in place that actually handle a lot of the responsibility for me. But nonetheless, I still like to entertain myself by going to some of the work sites, talking to the people, making sure that things are looking good. I really have high standards for everything that we do within our organization. But once again, like I said, this is the part that people don't see, Okay.
And she's talking about selling her place.
Okay.
And you might get a good deal for it.
Yeah, Leslie.
Yeah. It's the door right there, the red and
the double door? Yeah.
She doesn't live there right now. Her father died recently.
No, don't worry. I'm gonna go take a picture of it, send it to my guys, and then we'll try to get do you have her phone number or no? Okay. I'll try to track it down in public record somewhere.
Yeah. I think it'd be a quick buck for you.
Yeah, I mean, if she's ready to sell,
I don't know if she's going to get rid of it for 150 or more.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay.
I think there's an opportunity there. She doesn't want to fix the place up. She just wants to get rid of it.
Okay. Well, then I'm gonna make it a goal to try to get a hold of her.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
I hope you.
Yeah.
I hope you prosper.
Absolutely. I appreciate everything you're doing over here too. Thank you so much. It's looking good, man. It's looking like night and day. Like I was here when.
Really good.
Yeah.
You did a really nice job, man.
Yeah, I was here when everybody, the stuff was everywhere, which was a few weeks ago. I come back and I'm like, man, this thing's looking nice.
Yeah, it's a tragic story, of what happened to this place.
Yeah. I heard the entire story, man, and it was tough. It was a tough situation.
It's a very old story,
Yeah.
I mean, it really is. Ever since alcohol's been around.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Believe me, I've seen it happen in my own family. So
Sure.
Well, I'm gonna see if we can get a hold of her. I'll be right back. Thank you. God bless you.
Yeah, what's up?
Yo, I just got the scoop. You know the condo that we're flipping over here by Northern, John's condo? The lady is ready to sell. She doesn't even live here. Can you skip trace her? Her father died, used to own this property. She wants nothing to do with it. She just wants to get rid of it. She's looking at about 150, but I'm sure you can work some magic.
All right.
Yeah, it's literally empty right now, bro. Like nobody lives there. I think we got to move on this thing very quickly.
Okay.
Let her know that we're renovating the one literally across the parking lot.
Okay.
All right, can you get on it and let me know?
Yeah.
It has the double red doors. I'll send you a picture.
All right.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Hopefully we can land another deal, all right? That's why it's good to just talk to people. Sometimes one deal can turn into 2 or 3. All right, so my 9-year-old just pulled up. She knows what I do, but she doesn't really know the ins and outs of what I do. So I'm actually gonna just have her come in here and look at the renovation of this condo and watch me film video and stuff like that. Oh, look, she's here. Hi. What's up, baby? What's up with mama? So they work with daddy, they help daddy rehab, remodel houses. So we're gonna make $70,000 on this one deal. Do you know what $70,000 is?
Yeah, that's a lot.
That's a good amount of money. Hi.
Hi.
Come here. Hi, mama. Why are you looking at him? Because he has a camera?
Did you put your shoes on wrong? Well, she did.
Come check it out. All right, so. All right, come in, babe. Ready? So this is already almost like 95% remodeled. Check it out. Come in. See? See? Daddy's renovating this house. This is an apartment. You should see what it used to look like in here.
You guys have to do the apartment.
Well, we do houses, we do apartments, we do it all, baby. If it makes money, it makes sense. Okay, can I show you what it used to look like? Ready? Well, you know how she likes renovating and stuff, right?
Yeah.
This is what it used to look like. Yeah. You see the back?
What's up, this?
Yep, that was that. Watch.
What's different?
Watch this. That's the kitchen. Look at the kitchen. It looks way different, right? Yeah. So, anyway, that's what it used to look like. Now let's show you what it looks like now. Come on, baby. All right, so here's a spare bedroom. This is a spare bedroom. More than likely, you know, children will live here. It's a nice, good sized closet. I think that's bigger. That's a bigger closet than your closet, right? Yeah. Look at this, brand new doorknobs, brand new doors, brand new paint, brand new ceiling fan. Oh, might as well make it part of the video, right? Right? Brand new bathroom. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Check it out. Look, we put a brand new faucet, vanity. We put a new vanity, new mirror, new light fixture. Look at this. Look at this. New granite, right? Look at new flooring. And in here where the soap goes, you see this? We put a new toilet that flushes from the top. Look at this. See, flushes from the top. Right? New shower heads. Look at this. That's a big old shower head. Let's go. Let's go to the master. This is supposed to be the master. Right here. Same thing. Actually, this is a smaller closet than the other one. So, but brand new closet, brand new doors, brand new paint, brand new ceiling fan. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, once again, thank you so much for joining me. I don't know if you recall, but the way that we were able to acquire this particular property was through a cold call, and it took us 7 months worth of following up. So again, there's a lot of money in the follow-up that people are missing out on. Man, I love the way that this thing turned out. I can't wait to the next project. Thanks for tuning in. If you feel that this video is informative, educational, entertaining in any way, do me a huge favor. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Share with anybody that you feel might get some value out of this video. And don't forget to comment down below. We love to hear your feedback. Until next time, I'll talk to you soon.